Well, I got a lathe about 4 months ago and thought I'd show some of the projects. This is oak and maple. This one was a piece of jack pine that I turned into a lamp with a mahogany pontic on the top. Lamp. This was a little wren birdhouse that I made. Functional. The wife's claimed that it's got a place in the garden already. A place for the birds to live through the summer. Made it so the top is removable. And this was made out of old skidwood. Dome that I had to put on the top. Candle holders, Christmas ornament, and this was my latest creation, a lamp made out of dark mahogany, red mahogany, and maple. But I didn't make a video of this, sadly. Let's get out to the shop. Well, here I've glued the body of the lamp together, and now I'm just cutting the tenons and going to shape the body in the shape I want for the lamp. I'm working out how narrow I want to make the tenon on here. Join these lamps together with a mortise and tenon joints, as each piece is lathed separately. Now here you can see I've flipped the body of the lamp around, and I'm putting a tenon on the other end to join to the base or to the top, whichever end I decide it's going to be. I've done my shaping in the middle, trying to get it looking as even as I can. And there's still some touch-ups to do. I want that dark piece of mahogany to come up to a nice point, hopefully pretty much in the center. And here I've set up, I'm using my Forstner bit to pour out the lamp where the light fixture will be seated to hold the bulb. I like to inset it into the lamp so the bulb sits almost flush in the fixture area. And here now I have sanded up to, I believe it was 800 grit on the body, and I am adding sealer, and we'll finish it off with sealer and shine juice. And here I have the base glued up and mounted and just starting to shape. I did the base out of solid strips of wood because if I would have segmented it all, it'd be much lighter. And being it's a lamp, I want the base of the lamp to have a certain amount of weight to it to hold the lamp in place so it gets bumped, it doesn't fall over so easy. So yes, I usually try to do it out of a full blank or a solid piece like this. Adds more weight to the bottom so it doesn't become top heavy or tippy. And here, as I said, I use a mortise tenon joints to attach the lamp all together when it's finished. I was just checking there to see if I'm close on the size of my mortise I'm putting in here so my tenon will fit in and glue nice and tightly. This is where it takes a bit of time checking the fit over and over. If you get a sloppy fit, it makes it hard to glue the lamp together in a nice straight uniform manner. And there I think I'm pretty much happy with it. Seems to be sitting flush and flat. And I continue to shape the rest of the outside of the base. And here as I'm checking, I found a little bit of a gap there where I didn't quite sand it flat enough. So I'm adding a little CA glue and some sawdust to fill that little tiny crack between the layers. Of course, you let it dry and the shape of it comes off and you won't even see it. We hope. And here I'm finished with the shaping and I've got out the sandpaper and I'll work through the grits, which I did. Now I'm sealing and or have sealed and added shine juice, getting down to the finishing touches on this base. And here we're just finishing up, or I'm just finishing up, going to drill at the bottom where the wire will go and seal it and everything, and it's done. Sorry about this, but my camera's battery was dead again, so I started to shape this final piece and didn't get it on film, but I'll pick it up here. This piece is made out of cedar, and I was quite surprised how well it actually went on the lathe with this stuff there. I'm doing sanding already, got it shaped. But I have sanded it right up to 800 grit, and now I'm putting a sealer on. Get it sealed up. And adding more. Use shine juice as sealer. Now I'm going to put the shine to it. And we'll flip it around and get it into the lathe so we can hollow it out. As you can see, I've got the mortise cut in it, ready to join onto the top of the body. And here you can see I've shined up and finished the outside and now flipped it around and start to hollow it out just like a bowl. This is going to be the side that the glass light fixture will sit in, and the bulb will be in there to shine. Here I'm cutting a bit of a mortise for the glass fixture to sit on. Just checking it for size, see how well it fits, so it doesn't come tumbling out of there when it's a lamp. A seated rest. Now the sanding, and we'll put the sealer on, get it all sealed up. And of course, shine to it. And the final piece of the lamp will be complete. And it's just a matter of assembling it all, putting it together. I glue it together on the lathe, putting all the pieces together. And that way I can leave it overnight with pressure on it from the tail stock, holding the pieces together. Well, here it is, my latest creation. Another lamp. Segmented pieces. Nice shine. A maple shade. The bulb inside. Finial on top. I like it. 5 different types of wood. Beautiful.